Hey guys, how are you today? Well, we have today, we're going to unboxing the ATS acoustic panel that I just bought to prevent a lot of echo in my living room. So I bought 3 to check this out and then, test it, because I have a lot of echo in my room. So let's start and let's unboxing this and let's show you guys how it is look. Okay. Okay, this is the first panel. Right here. Let's open it up. Wow. They look great. Also here guys, we have the mounting. You can see it's coming with the mounting, screws, and everything. This looks good. Looks great to me. This is the panel. You can see. So I'm 5'5". This is 48 inch long. See? It's really well done. All right. I got other one black also, and this one is gray. So I want to put this one in the side to reflecting, to cancel the reflection of my towers. Pretty good. Alright guys, this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and stay tuned for the next video, okay guys? I'll see you guys later.